uniforms that were too big, getting lost in the hallways, and panicking about our first focus. This school became more than just classroom and whiteboards. It became our second home. The hallways saw us laughing after surprises. The field saw us start with proud doing sports day. The class saw us fighting over group projects, then making up over snakes at break time. The biggest lesson here wasn't just math formulas or history dates. This school taught us patience when things didn't go our way, responsibility when we were chosen for flag ceremony, and resilience when we failed a test but tried again. Every doodle on the desk, every chalk stains on our uniforms, those are memories money can buy. To all our teachers, thank you. Thank you for your endless patience explaining the same lesson 3 times. Thank you for scolding us, because we knew it don't bring from anger, but care. Thank you for the prayer we didn't hear, but we believe you always said our way. Without your disciplines, we would still be lazy. Without your guidance, we wouldn't have survived exams or practical tests, or the stress of choosing high school. We can never repay you with money or grades, so let us repay you by becoming students you're proud of out there in the world. And to my friends,